Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe radar fraud protection for US transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Stripe account. From the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the settings section. Locate the radar option in the menu. Click on radar to access the fraud prevention settings. In the radar settings, you'll see a section dedicated to fraud preferences. Review the default settings provided by Stripe. To customize your settings, click on the Edit button. Here, you can adjust settings for automatic review and blocking. Set the thresholds for automatic actions, choosing levels that suit your business needs. Consider enabling block list to stop payments from certain geographical locations. Next, go to the Review section to manage how reviews are conducted. Decide whether to automatically review suspicious payments. You can also enable notifications for every flagged transaction. Scroll down to the Rules section to create custom rules. Click on the Add a Rule button to establish criteria for flagging transactions. Choose from predefined conditions or create your own using the Custom Conditions option. Keep in mind to test your rules to ensure they work as intended. Once satisfied with your settings, make sure to save your changes. To further enhance security, consider integrating with additional verification tools. Review analytics regularly to monitor the effectiveness of your fraud protection measures. Make adjustments as necessary based on transaction trends and fraud patterns. Consistently update your rules based on new insights and changes in your customer base. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully set up Stripe Radar for fraud protection on US transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.